When I enter the bag along talking.
It's done music.
We made it into 2023. I'm grateful to be here to witness yet another year. A lot of people did not make it for 2023. And you know, it's really a privilege to be amongst the chosen few that are here today to ring in yet another year. It is actually January 2nd to be exact. But yesterday was just a really chill day, so I really slept. So basically this is my recap of 2022. I wasn't active on YouTube because one, I wasn't motivated enough, and then the second reason, you know, your real life behind the camera and everything, I wanted that to be my focal point of last year. So I wasn't really, you know, as persistent or into that into recording a lot of stuff of last year. And then, you know, I did record in some aspects. I did record like my birthday, my sister's surprise birthday dinner in January, my cousin's baby shower. I started recording. I even have some of the clips, which I think I'm gonna compile them and show you guys at the end of this video, but I never really finished that video because either something happened or the clips never come out how I wanted it. But yeah, like last year was really just a chill year for me. It was a year of reflection, a year of a lot of lessons to be learned, and I learned them. And now we're back and we're better. We have mastered the art of balancing life, as well as I have also mastered, you know, just bringing everything to the forefront, like just focusing more on myself, my family, and most importantly, my relationship with God. So I'm back, I'm better, and here we are going to do some more videos. Like my next video will be my I spent a week in Fort Lauderdale for the new year, so I rung in the new year in Fort Lauderdale, and I will be recording, so watch out for that video. But like right now we are going to get into the vlog, or you know, 2022 recap vlog. And I wish nothing for all of you but God's blessings. I wish for you guys to reap everything that you sow into 2023, all your goals to be achieved, and remember to just put God first. Remember to just focus and remember your goals that you set for this year. Don't remember it just January, February, March, but remember it for the entirety of the year. If you fall off track, don't kill up yourself. Just get up back and try again. So that's just that. Let's get into my 2022 recap video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I am at the gas station. I am with my friend Bianca, and Charisse is gonna travel with my cousin and my mom, and the drive, and look at the road. It is so crazy. Wish us luck. my birthday.
Good evening. I'm Lane Desjardins here.
Okay guys, so it's my birthday weekend and we are, this is where you're coming. We are what? you did it too early, bro. Come again. So this is my birthday weekend and we are outside. Alright guys, so today is my cousin's baby shower and me and my mom and my sister, we're going to go and support her. She's having a baby girl, so you know, I kind of dressed around that, so I'm wearing pink today. So I'm going to do a little get ready with me and probably carry you guys along the journey of the baby shower, and you know, anything in between that seems exciting, I'll haul you guys along. So keep watching, stay tuned, don't click off, make sure that you comment, make sure you subscribe already, and make sure that you hit that like button. So right now I'm going to go get I'm going to iron my clothes, then I'm going to have a shower, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm going to get my makeup done. See you soon. Okay guys, so it's currently it's 6 and these people are so late in opening gifts. 6 p.m. at that. So we're about to open gifts. This is our tree. Oh, that cherry's on the floor.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, this is mom. She is reading one of her cards. Okay guys, so you have made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching so far. I'm gonna basically give you guys like a quick rundown of what happened. In January it was my sister's surprise birthday dinner, but we had a snowstorm, so a lot of the plans that were supposed to happen, it never happened, and a lot of the people that were supposed to be there, they weren't there, which is totally understandable. At the end of the day, she enjoyed her day, and that's all that matters. Then it was my birthday, and she reciprocated the same energy. She made sure that I enjoyed my birthday, and I did actually. I spent it, my cousin was there and my sister's friends and my sister, so that was fun. Went to the beach, my birthday dinner. You saw the whole mix of it all. And then come now to like around October there, it was my cousin's baby shower, and basically it was time spent with family, which I love that quality time, spending it with family, so that was fun. And yeah, like then Christmas came. We opened gifts, but per usual, my family, we open gift really late. So around 6, when everybody finish open gift and basically having them dinner, we just start opening gifts. But it's not that mattered. It was really the quality time with family that mattered. And then my mom, she was so anxious about this game. I don't know if she saw it or she make it up, I don't know, but she basically got a bunch of plastic cups and put stuff under there, and like we're supposed to pick the cup randomly, and whatever was under that specific cup that we chose, we would get. But yeah, that was basically my few of the highlights of my 2022. I know I've been saying this like every year. I feel like every year I come and I say, oh, I'm gonna be consistent, and it's really hard. It's not easy, especially when you're editing your own videos, when you have that vision of how you want something to come out and then it don't come out like that. Like, you just kind of get discouraged at times, which this year I'm trying to push past all of that, push past the perfectionism, whatever, and just do my best. So stay tuned, keep watching, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And that is it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.